Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to paste this one object on all artboard in one click. So it's very easy. So first I draw this and then I click on this shape, then I go to the edit and copy it, and then I go to edit again and paste on all artboard. You can see all the shapes are pasted on all artboard on the same place on one click, right? So then you can change the place of all objects uh, on one click. So how to do it? So let's start it. Click on the shape, go to the select and go to start global edit. So when you click on this, so when you change the place of the first object, and all the object place is changed on all artboard. So you can see here. So it is very simple. So the next is when you click on the artboard and then you unarrange the object, sorry, in the artboard, and you wanna to rearrange all the artboard on one click. So it is also very simple. So click on the artboard option and then go to rearrange all, and then you can rearrange like this and horizontally and vertically. So then you can change on how much columns do you need. I need 4 columns. So then click on okay, and here is the space between the artboards. You can increase it, but I leave it on 20 point. So let's click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can see all the artboard are rearranged once again. So hope guys you like this video, and so kindly share my video and subscribe the channel. So thank you guys.